Hi YouTubers, it's Rebecca Ida de Zebra and Jose Silva and Rebecca, no, not Rebecca, and Tiffany Skittles and then Tiffany Ida Platypus or Tiffany something else and Christian. So right now we are at the drive-in theater thing and it's thunderstorming and it's fucking hot. Yeah, no, it's hot. It's 32 degrees outside. I don't know what it is with the humidity, but fuck, it's hot. It's like, look at the back window. See? I told you! People are fucking crazy. There's people walking outside. The movie doesn't start for another hour and a half, so hopefully this lets up. We're going to watch Red 2 and...
Extremely dangerous.
What's the second movie called?
A horror movie.
What's the name of it?
Scary.
The Conjuring. Which fucking sucks, because last time we went to go see World War Z, which sucked because I was freaked out insanely because of the zombies, and I hate zombies. I hate zombies. See, that was thunder, or
Lightning.
that was lightning. It lit up my whole face. And last night, me and Toe and Tiffany all did our hair. So Toe, we tried Toe, but it didn't work. So what we did with him is we had him bleach the top of his hair. That's better. No, now I look weird. Yeah, but it's so dark in here. And I did a half blonde, half, well, it's going to be black tonight. And then next week it's going to be teal. But it's so hot. My hair is ucky. And then Tiffany re-bleached underneath. And then we tried to, I don't know if I said this already, but we bleached his hair. But it looked not like him, so we tried to put green over top, and it turned out piss yellow. It was disgusting. So we painted over it with black, so now it's black and brown. His natural hair color is brown. Is it getting lighter outside? Are we finally seeing the end of this? No?
It's coming out.
Yeah! But it should be over soon. I'll give you a peek of where we're at. We are at the Mustang Drive-In Theater. Yeah? Okay, so there's, whoa, the car beside us, front, side, Jose, the back seat, and the little amount of cars that are here. Say hi, Tiff. Hi. Do you want to show them what Toe did you? So, yeah, that's basically it, guys. Bye Facebook. Look at all the rain on our sunroof. Ah!
I think we should open up the sunroof.
No.
What? We should open up the
I think that would be a terrible idea.
things coming in.
Like, I don't know if you can hear that sound, but that's the sound of the rain, and it's hitting mainly Jose's window. See? And that was, it's getting, I lied, it just got worse. Like, and then, and then over here, that's how bad it looks.
Oh, we still getting to watch.
But it's great, it's 10 times brighter out now though. Oh, well, yeah, I guess now we can.
What?
I don't know.
Yeah, but we still can watch the movie.
See, now you can see my hair. It's half blonde, half black. I can't part it right now because I'm feeling lazy. See, it's basically. Tiffany doesn't know this, but tonight she's gonna help me dye the other half. Yeah, whatever. So, It sucks though because I still have yellow in my hair and I still have pink. What? Oh look. So it's raining. Where's the sun? Where's the sun? Where's the sun?
Back here.
Yeah, but it's not showing up.
Oh, but I can see it clearing up. I can see the sky.
See the sun? Yeah. That means the movie shall be a go. I'm gonna put my hair back up though because it's still like Vaseline from yesterday. And it smells like sweat and goobers. Here we go.
Eso es tu puerta atrás, no mordas.
At least our car will be clean. So yeah, basically like it looks really weird right now. What?
No more coffee.
Yeah! I spilled coffee on the car, so there was coffee stains. But now there's no coffee stains. Right, Tiff? Look at that. It's freaking beautiful. Fuck. If I can hold it straight. Okay, not him. But beyond him. Ah, I can't do this. Fucking beautiful is that?
There we go.
So yeah. So since this storm's practically, well, not done, but it's close to being done, I'm gonna go. So bye guys. Oh, bye guys.